this video I'm going to show you how you can clone any website using MCP Server. So this is the easiest way how you can clone any website. So I will be using Cursor and Firecrawl. So it's going to take you not more than 5-6 minutes. So let's quickly get started. So for that you have to install Cursor first. So I have already installed Cursor, and go into your favorite browser and search for firecrawl.dev. So just log in with your Gmail or GitHub. So once you do that, just go into new tab and search for MCP Server and just say Firecrawl MCP Server Cursor. So just go into this first one, and you can see this link onto this docs.firecrawl.dev and MCP Server. If you scroll down, so you can see running on Cursor, and if you click on add to Cursor, this will open this tab onto the Cursor. Here you can see, so you got to put your Firecrawl API key. So let me again go to the browser here and onto the dashboard. So here you can see on API keys. So you can simply click on create. So let's name it Netflix clone. So we will do the Netflix clone. You can do any website clone using this one. So click on create. This will create a key, and you got to go copy and paste it inside here onto the Firecrawl API key and click on install. So this will install the MCP server into the Cursor. So once this is done, open the desktop, and here let's create a folder, call it Netflix clone. So here click on open. So here into the chat, so you can use any model you want. So I will just do auto. So here let's write use Firecrawl MCP server to clone. So this is the official website that we want to clone. So just copy this link from here, clone Netflix website homepage. So if you just click on enter, so this will start cloning the Netflix website. So this is asking to call the Firecrawl scrap. So click on run. This will extract and scrap all the information from the website, even the images and everything, and it will do the job for you. So now let's wait some time. So now you can see the clone is ready to use. So let's see what it did. Let's go into index.html, click on keep all. So if I open with live server, so you can see, so this is the clone. So that has been created with the MCP server. Here you can see, so this was the original one, and so this is the clone version of it. So this has done a pretty good job. Now you can see here the Netflix logo and the background, everything, it looks perfectly fine. So here you can see it has added this FAQ as well. I like the design, and it has done pretty well job. So this is the easiest way that you can do for cloning any website using MCP server, using Firecrawl and Cursor. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.